In a small, peaceful village, there lived a poor farmer named Ramu and his kind wife Sita.
They worked very hard every day, but still struggled to earn enough food.
One day, while digging the field, Ramu found a strange glowing pot. Look, a glowing pot!
What is it, Ramu?
It's magical. Let's see. When they opened the pot, a golden egg appeared. Every day, the pot gave them one golden egg. Soon, their life became happy.
Our life is so happy.
Yes, our fortune has arrived. But Ramu became greedy. He thought, why wait for one egg a day? I want all the gold now.
But in greed, he broke the magical pot.
The magic was gone forever, and so was their happiness. Greed destroys blessings. Be thankful for what you have.